Hello, I am here to talk about the leading economic indicators. Here are four of them. So the first one is the yield curve. So the yield curve shows the return on short-term treasury bills compared to long-term treasury notes and bonds. So the yield curve goes a different direction and can predict a recession. Of course, this is not 100% accurate, but normally it is um, when the yield curve does invert. And then number two, the durable goods orders. So this informs companies, or excuse me, informs you when companies order new big ticket items such as machinery, automobiles, and company jets. This is a sign of confidence in the future of a business when they're investing in these bigger items to help the business grow. The third one is the stock market, of course. Stock market prices represent a company's expected earnings. So the rise creates confidence, and a fall creates quick movement towards safe havens and the selling of stocks and things like that. So this obviously is a really good indicator, the true numbers. And lastly, the manufacturing jobs. So within factory jobs, it's most likely a key indicator that the manufacturers are confident in the levels of the future. And with the rise of factory orders, they will need to obviously hire more people for the manufacturing. So that's also a good indicator that the company is doing well. And then on the opposite end, if there aren't orders coming in, then they obviously aren't going to be um, hiring employees for the business until things start turning around. And that is what I have for you today. Thank you.